You know the feeling, the nagging bloat, the afternoon slump, the sense that your body is working against you. You suspect your diet is the problem, but the advice out there is a confusing mess. What if the solution wasn't a restrictive diet, but a few simple, powerful changes? That feeling of being tired and out of whack isn't just in your head, it's likely coming from your gut. But the fix is simpler than you think. Forget the complicated cleanses. Today we're covering the proven strategies to overhaul your digestive health. We'll show you the simple food swaps and habit shifts to bring your energy back and calm the bloat for good. This is your long-term blueprint for feeling great, and it starts with your next meal. Section 1. Your gut is more than just a food processor. First, the why. Your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms called the gut microbiome. Think of it as a microscopic city inside you. We used to think its only job was digestion, but now we know this community is a powerhouse. It helps run your immune system, creates vitamins, and even communicates with your brain, influencing your mood by producing neurotransmitters like serotonin. When this internal ecosystem gets out of balance, a condition called dysbiosis, it can cause a domino effect. This imbalance is linked to digestive issues, fatigue, skin problems, and even anxiety. The single most powerful tool to fix that balance is your diet. Section 2. The 30-Plant Challenge, your first mission for a thriving gut. If you do only one thing, make it this: eat more types of plants. Research from the American Gut Project found that people who eat at least 30 different plants a week have a far more diverse gut microbiome than those eating 10 or fewer. Why does variety matter? Because different gut bacteria like different foods. Eating a wide array of plants is like throwing a buffet for all your good microbes, helping them all thrive. What counts toward your 30? It's easier than you think. Everything from vegetables and fruits, to whole grains like oats and quinoa, to legumes like beans and lentils. Even nuts, seeds, herbs, and spices count. Each one is a point. Hitting 30 is about small additions. If you have oatmeal, toss in berries, flax seeds, and walnuts. That's 3 extra points right there. The mindset is add, don't restrict. Just try one new fruit or vegetable each week to get started. Section 3. The power couple. Probiotics and prebiotics. Next, let's talk about the power couple. Probiotics and prebiotics. Think of it this way. Prebiotics are the fertilizer, and probiotics are the seeds for your gut garden. Probiotics are the live beneficial bacteria found in fermented foods. Try to include one serving a day. Great sources are plain yogurt and kefir, sauerkraut and kimchi, kombucha and miso. Prebiotics are the food for your good bacteria. They're a special fiber that your microbes feast on. This produces compounds that fight inflammation and strengthen your gut lining. You can find prebiotics in many plants, especially garlic, onions, leeks, bananas, and oats. The magic happens when you combine them. A stir-fry with garlic and onions, prebiotics, served with a side of kimchi, probiotic, is a perfect 1-2 punch. If you're already making a shopping list, hit that subscribe button and comment below with the first tip you're going to try. Your journey could be the spark someone else needs. Section 4. Foods to reduce for a happier gut. Now, adding good stuff is half the battle. The other half is reducing what hurts your gut. The main offenders are ultra-processed foods, or UPFs. Think industrially made products with long ingredient lists packed with sugar, unhealthy fats, and additives. This includes most sugary cereals, packaged snacks and pastries, deli meats, and fried foods. Some research also suggests artificial sweeteners can alter the gut microbiome. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Swap the packaged cookie for a handful of nuts. Make whole foods, things that look like they came from a farm, not a factory, the foundation of your diet. Section 5. The unsung heroes. Hydration and mindful habits. It's not just what you eat, but how you eat. 2 underrated heroes are water and mindfulness. Hydration is non-negotiable. Fiber needs water to work properly, and staying hydrated prevents constipation and promotes a diverse microbiome. Aim for around 8 glasses a day. Mindful eating can be a game changer. Rushed, distracted eating can cause bloating and indigestion. First, chew your food thoroughly. Your stomach doesn't have teeth. Second, eat without distractions. Put your phone down. This helps your body switch into rest and digest mode. Finally, give your gut a break. Try to stop eating a few hours before bed to give your system an overnight rest to repair itself. Section 6. A day of gut-friendly eating. So what does a gut-friendly day look like? For breakfast, try oatmeal with blueberries, flax seeds, walnuts, and a scoop of plain yogurt. For lunch, a big salad with mixed greens, chickpeas, bell peppers, and sunflower seeds, with a side of kimchi. For a snack, an apple with a handful of almonds. For dinner, a veggie stir-fry using broccoli, carrots, and mushrooms, with brown rice and a protein like tempeh. See? Without much effort, you're eating a huge variety of plants and probiotic-rich foods, and it's all delicious.